Spicy, juicy, and full of flavor, these are brown butter jerk chicken wings. Get into that brown butter jerk drizzle. Let's make a jerk sauce. Into the blender, I added 8 cloves of garlic and a half a red onion. Next up, I'll add a half a jalapeno. I'll add the seeds and all because I like it spicy. If you don't like it spicy, go ahead and remove the seeds. A little tip to balance heat is to add something sweet. I'm going to add this mango. It's ripe and sweet. You can substitute with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to add a lime for acid, 4 scallions, and the stems of cilantro. Whew, that's hot, just the way Mama likes it. I'll add about a quarter of a bottle of this habanero hot sauce and about 4 tablespoons of this jerk seasoning. The habanero hot sauce and jerk spice are both from Chef Method. What I like the most about both products is that they're low sodium. That gives me the power to control how much salt I put in my recipes. Now I'm ready to massage this jerk spice all over these cleaned chicken wings. The freshly ground spices really do bring forth maximum flavor in this jerk seasoning. I'm going to add some more. Check it out. A light coating of flour, then time for the fryer. 2 sticks of brown butter, half a cup of your jerk sauce, 8 dashes of habanero hot sauce, couple dashes of Chef Method jerk seasoning, and the juice of a lime. That, my friends, is the brown butter jerk sauce. Get into it. All natural ingredients, keto friendly, 0 calories, and low sodium. I can add as much of this jerk seasoning as I want. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the flick of the wrist. To purchase your Chef Method sauces or spices, click the link in my bio or visit chefmethods.com. I'm Chef Mimi J. Thanks for watching.